There is a single mental move you can make that can accelerate your results. Hi, I'm Stacey Berger with Mastering Your Mindset. There is a single mental move that we can make that within a millisecond will catapult us really towards where we want to go. And that mental move is decision, is making a decision. A few months ago, I had a couple of different opportunities, and they were both wonderful opportunities in front of me. And I was taking a lot of time to make a decision about which one I was going to pursue. And I was asking other people for their opinion. I was doing my research, and there was about 6 or 8 weeks where I was in this place of indecision, and it didn't feel good. And when we're in that place of indecision, nothing happens. Nothing happens. It's a real, I would call it a niggly energy where things don't move forward. The moment I decided, the moment I made the decision of how I was going to move forward, every part of me just relaxed. And now all of that energy was available to move towards that. Indecision is really a habit. And it's a muscle that we can build and we can grow and we can change. So important to help, if you have young kids, to help them learn how to make decisions. Ask them to decide for themselves, because it's a very, very powerful mental move and a tool that we can use to catapult us forward. Where in your life maybe are you sitting in indecision? Where you, if it's a yes, if it's a no, the big thing is to decide. And once you decide, that's when the universe conspires to make that happen, because now we have a clear objective of what we're moving towards. Successful people make decisions quickly and they change them very slowly or rarely. Unsuccessful people, or people who are struggling, often don't make decisions quickly and they change them often. So they're constantly moving around from here to there, or they're just sitting back and not deciding anything, so nothing can change for them. So how can you build your muscle in decision making? Make a commitment that you'll work with yourself on your decision making skills, making decisions quicker, and then having that energy available to move towards that, and watch things change around you once you make the decision. Until we make a decision, the resources aren't going to be there. The information won't be there. Once you decide, that's when the resources, that's when the people, that's when the circumstances start to show up to facilitate that decision occurring. If you would like help getting clear about what you need to decide on to move you forward, go ahead, sign up for the complimentary strategy session in the link below. We'll talk about where you are today, where you want to be, and the mental moves that you can be making to take you there. If you're looking for more tools on mastering your mindset, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and here's to your success.